Hey, what's up guys? This is Diego Arce, Team Heli Direct, and if you guys watched my last video, how to set up a perfect head on the Spectre Nitro, today we're going to be doing a little demonstration. We're going to be flying at about 1200 and 1700 head speed, since we're in a tight area, so we're going to take it easy. So here she is, Spectre Nitro, and I'm running for servos, Theta servos, and OS 105 with the Max Glow dual plug head, and also running the Revo blades and ProTune V2 pipe. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a little demo. So here's the backyard. Gotta be careful with the animals and the trees. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna be doing low head speed mostly and show the heli how smooth it flies. Here we have it guys, she's running super smooth, zero wobble, zero vibrations. Hope you guys like the video. See you on the next one.
Heli Direct!